Hello, my friends. I'm going to show you the beam rifle that never stops. Okay, you see the beam rifle? See, it's supposed to be able to overcharge. So I'm just going to sit here and I'm going to shoot it. I don't know. I guess. Still never overcharges. The beam rifle that never stops shooting. See? It's been shooting for a whole minute straight. And then I just let go. Now I'm invisible. And now I go back to shooting. I do this at minutes at a time. Yes, you can see I'm shooting the back of a Phantom. Oh, it's still... I'm like invincible, so I don't take any damage. Oh, that's where I was. I was just shooting. Oh, I fell. Jump. I just shot at a light. I'm supposed to give my finger a break. If you want to learn how to do this, I can teach you. Well, this has been Angel's Forever Shooting Beam Rifle. Adios.